Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here to bring you an update on Cardano ADA. I see a few very important, very interesting things. I think Cardano is nearing a breakout point. We could see a very big move with Cardano in the near future here. So in this video, I will run through some technical analysis, talk about what I see happening with short-term and long-term. So if you like the sound of that, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads, because we've been killing it on this channel and we'll be breaking down all your favorite cryptos all throughout this bull run. Let's delve into this. So a few things to describe right off the bat here. We were kind of in this descending triangle here, broke out bullishly. I would call this kind of like a bull flag, but just because we moved up sideways consolidation, the bullish breakout. But really, I think we're mostly just in an ascending triangle here. And very, very interestingly, on the 12-hour, we got rejected off resistance here at kind of like 40 cents, 38 cents. And we went down, we went for that leg down. But look at the 12-hour. Immediately a bullish engulfing candle. It did not want to go down. This is very interesting. And now the most recent 12-hour candle is forming above inside this green zone here, which is a bullish sign. If we can close above, like within this green zone, I think Cardano is looking extremely bullish. We may be seeing potentially a bullish breakout with Cardano in the very near future here. I would say Cardano has, hold on here, nope, that's not, there we go. I'd say we have roughly 12 days of sideways action potentially before we see a big move. If we break out bullishly, I think Cardano could hit 60 cents sooner rather than later. If we break out bearishly, I think Cardano can go back down to under 2 cents. I'd say 2 cents, 175 makes a lot of sense. A lot of sense. There's a lot of volume here, sideways price action. I think kind of like worst case scenario for Cardano here is kind of the 2 cent region. Yeah, I'd say just under 2 cent here. If we break down further, but that's like real bad news bears. That's like real no bueno. I kind of think the spot we need to look out for in terms of a pullback is 32 cents to 30 cents. I feel like I made a video about this today. Did I? I sometimes forget, guys. There's all lines and charts. It all looks the same. Either way, guys, I do think this is no, I didn't make a video about this today. It's important to talk about here because we could continue to get rejected off these levels, fall back down. I think the original resistance line from the original peak, which is basically 35 cents, will act as support. If that doesn't hold, I think we're falling back down to 32 to 30 cents. I think this is kind of like the most perfect accumulation zone. If we were to fall back to this area, which, I mean, given this bullish engulfing candle, maybe we won't. I would say this is kind of like the perfect accumulation zone. Is this what? Oh, is this the 4-hour? Okay, let's take a look at our indicators here, the 6-hour. Okay, so VWAP is on the way up, money flow is on the way down, momentum's on the way down, although the stochastic is making its way up. What's the RSI doing? RSI is kind of in a downtrend. Okay, MACD on its way down, all the histograms ticking up. So the 4-hour isn't telling me a whole lot. Our indicators are kind of pointing in different directions. They're not giving me a confluence of reasons. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Okay, 4-hour is looking very interesting right off the bat. Let's look at the RSI. Ooh, bullish breakout in the RSI. Very interesting. MACD ticking up, stochastic on the way up, momentum on the way up, money flow on the way up, view up on the way up. Ooh, guys, this is looking very interesting, especially with this bullish candle, engulfing candle on the 12-hour. Whenever we have a correction like this, and this is a large time frame as well, with a large red candle finding support on an EMA, and then right afterwards bullish engulfing candle, meaning a candlestick where the body of the candle is the full height of the previous bearish candle. That is a very bullish sign. And the 4-hour is on its way up. RSI bullish divergence, stochastic up, momentum up, MACD histogram even ticking up. This is more bullish than bearish in my opinion, guys. So let's take a look here at the hourly, see if we can figure out what's happening short term here. Okay. Oh, okay. Even it's on the way up. Yeah. So on the 12. Okay. So hourly here, we're starting to see signs of bearishness on our indicators. MACD ticking down, RSI going for that leg down. Stochastic, it's really just the stochastic in the overbought region like that. And the MACD ticking down. We could have a leg down here. Let's take a look at the half hour for fun. I don't really like delving into like the real short time frames because I think kind of like the macro picture and like hodling for the long term is more important. But just for fun here, yeah, I think we're gonna have a little bit of a move down here, which makes sense. We're making you know, lower highs. That may continue. Yeah, so ooh, critically, the 200 EMA on the 1 hour is acting as support. If we fall below the 200 EMA on the 1 hour, I think we'll go into my purple box area here. If we continue to hold that as support, I think we may be breaking out bullishly. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. But yeah, guys, I think we're going for like another leg down here. I think the 200 EMA on the 1 hour is the most critical support level. If we fall below that, purple box, you know, 32 to 30 cents. If we fall below that, that is very bad news bears. You know, these previous bottoms I think will be the support levels. Not a lot of volume being traded there, but you know, there was sideways price action, kind of like the 24 cent. And if we fall below the 24 cent, I think 2 cent to like 15 cent, sorry, 20 cent to 15 cents will be kind of like our support area. A lot of volume there, a lot of sideways price action. I honestly don't feel like we're going that far. Another thing we need to keep in mind is Ethereum and Bitcoin. They lead the market. Whatever they do will have an effect on the altcoins. So Zeta, if Bitcoin and Ethereum decide to tank tomorrow, that will definitely have an effect on ADA. So yes, things look bullish, especially in the larger time frames. But again, it's all it's all based off Ethereum and Bitcoin keeping it together. It's, if you know, as well, Bitcoin dominance. When you ooh, I love seeing this, guys. So Bitcoin dominance has been collapsing, which is good for the altcoins. Whenever it falls, alts typically benefit. Whenever it rises, alts typically suffer. See how it falls like this, consolidates, falls, consolidates, and it looks like it's falling. It might go into consolidation phase. But, I mean, who knows, guys? The macro trend is going down, which is good. The dollar index, again, the DXY, it affects other currencies, including crypto. Whenever it falls, crypto benefit, or it's a factor that helps to benefit crypto. Whenever it rises, it's a factor that helps to negatively affect crypto. So these are some important things we need to keep our eye out for. Again, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they lead the market. Bitcoin is kind of within this micro wedge here, likely to break out of it within the next 2 days. There's so much to talk about Bitcoin, guys. I'm not going to delve too much into this because there's just so much to talk about. This is a whole other video, but bottom line is I think Bitcoin could like move sideways for 2 weeks above 30,000 before seeing a big move. We may see a big move beforehand, but just understand that. And then with Ethereum, Ethereum, guys, you know, I'm not trying to be bearish on Ethereum right now. We hit all-time highs on some exchanges. I think it's just a matter of time. The more time goes on, the more likely it is that Ethereum not only surpasses its all-time highs, but confidently so and explodes above it. If and when it does that, I think the good altcoins are likely to explode. And personally, I own some ADA for the long term. I'm a long-term hodler. If you guys are new to the cryptocurrency space, and you're trying to day trade, good luck. You're extremely likely to lose. If you're a new person or even somewhat new or not extremely knowledgeable and experienced when it comes to technical analysis and day trading, and you're trying to day trade, you are extremely likely to lose over time. You know, check out our Discord group, guys. Link for that down in the description below. We talk about our trade setups, and there's a few people who, I mean, I don't mean to call anyone out in particular, but who seem extremely inexperienced and display let's just say that they don't display the things you need to have in order to day trade consistently successfully. And so, I mean, and look, there's a lot of people in this place, right? Like, you know, we all start we all have to start from not knowing much. But I say this because it's reality. I don't want people losing money. If you're a new person, you're trying to day trade, you're going to lose. The best strategy and the thing I'm doing is buying solid altcoins and holding for the long term. 99.5% of the money I have in crypto is for long-term investments. Okay, I've been day trading consistently for many months now, and let me tell you, it is not easy to do it consistently successfully. Anyone can day trade successfully once or twice in a bull market when everything's longing. Sure, you can buy something, but it could be dumb luck and you can make money. But to be able to successfully, consistently day trade is a skill. There's a high bar, and if you're new, you're good luck. But like I say, ADA, a coin I own, I think is very likely to do very well throughout this bull run here. If we can close above 39, really 40 cents. If we close above 40 cents, guys, I think ADA is absolutely flying. So let's get to the good stuff, the long-term picture, mid to long-term at least. I think if we break out bullishly above 40 cents, I think we're seeing well over 60 cents very soon, guys. Again, we need to keep an eye out for Ethereum and Bitcoin. If Ethereum and Bitcoin decide to, Ethereum specifically, because Bitcoin leads the market, Ethereum leads the altcoins. If Ethereum decides to tackle its all-time highs and rise, ooh, guys, I think the good altcoins, and I think Cardano is arguably a good altcoin. Its core functionalities aren't fully rolled out, but it's a good concept. I think it has enough that it's likely to at least bring good return on investment, even if it's not like fully hashed out. I own some ADA. I'm gonna hold it for long term. And again, guys, I think this bull run is likely to end around the end of 2021. I don't know for sure. No one knows for sure exactly when this bull run will end. No one knows for sure exactly how high ADA will go, but I do think it's probable that this bull run is likely to peak out around the end of 2021. I'm scaling out late third quarter, early fourth, and I think ADA, I think the whole market can kind of do a 20x at this point. Again, I don't know that for sure. No one knows for sure, but I think that's kind of realistic. So ADA at, you know, maybe, what is it, $2? You know, ADA in the dollar range, the low dollars, I think is completely possible at the peak of this bull run. Again, obviously I don't know that for sure, but I think that is very realistic, you know, looking down the road a few months from now. So guys, these are my thoughts with ADA here. We need to look out for this ascending triangle here. We have roughly 2 weeks of sideways price action within this. Whatever way we break out of this ascending triangle here, we're likely to trend in that direction for quite some time. Break out bullishly, I think we see, you know, around 60 cents soon. If we break out bearishly, I've mentioned all my previous support levels. I don't want to rehash that. So guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. Check out our Discord group where we talk about all our trade setups and crypto. So guys, check that out. But one thing I gotta mention though, unfortunately, we only accept awesome people who want to make money into our Discord group. So I'm afraid if you're not that, you can't join now. If you are an awesome person and you do want to make money in crypto, check out our Discord group. Link for that down in the description below. Give us a follow on Twitter and on Referral. Support us there. Links for that will be down in the description below. I'll wrap it up here, y'all. Take care.